Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're decorating for Christmas. We went and got all of our tubs and everything that had all of the Christmas decor from our basement and brought it up here, so that way I can start looking at what I have and organizing things and then start decorating. I'm super excited for this year's decor because it's gonna be a little bit more traditional than what I usually do, and that's always exciting. I like to change it up every year, so hopefully it comes out good. I hope you guys like today's video. As always, let me know in the comments below. I hope you get some motivation and inspiration to maybe do something different in your home or start decorating if you haven't started yet. I know I probably should have done this video weeks ago, but we traveled and life happened, so I'm just now getting around to it. We're gonna put a Christmas tree in Caleb's room, we're gonna put one in our room, and then a few are gonna go in here. One is gonna go in our formal dining room, and I'm gonna see how I spread them out. So let's get started. All right, let me start by showing you the mess that I have here to work with. I have a few trees that I put up last year here in our living room, and they look beautiful because I had like a winter wonderland theme, but I don't know if I'm gonna use them this year in the same areas. I probably won't, so I have to figure that out. But this little tree is Caleb's tree that I put up in his room every year. It is so cute. It is the only like green tree that I think I own that's not flocked, but I think it is so beautiful. Like the way the little branches look, I think it's just so beautiful and realistic. It is also pre-lit, and I bought it at Walmart for like, I think it was like $30 or like $25, something like that. It is about 4.5 feet tall. Then this one is gonna go in our bedroom. Caleb already Caleb is working on it. He said that he decorated this tree. And then I have some bags here from the new decor that I bought this year, because since I never done reds, then I don't have a lot of red ornaments. I just have a few that I use on Caleb's tree, but I needed to find like picks and other types of like bigger ornaments that I could use this year. And I wanted to get some like matte balls for the tree. I think it would look so elegant and just different. So I found those from Hobby Lobby, and then this is how I store my Christmas decor. I just put them on these tubs, and I know the white ones, like the color white is Christmas, and also the clear ones. Caleb already destroyed this. You guys, when you have a toddler, decorating can be a little bit more messy than usual. So all of that was in that clear tub right there, and he dumped that. But I had that in there. I have to figure out what I'm gonna use from there. And then on these ones, I know the white ones are all Christmas decor, and then I have orange ones that have fall decor. So I have all of my garlands in here. It is really good to keep them in tubs like this, because that way they don't get any bugs, they don't get dusty. And also here I want to show you something else that I use inside of my closets to give me some extra storage around the home. I can put my home decor here, my Christmas decor, and even clothing. This one is actually going to go in Caleb's bedroom, and I'm going to put his clothes in here. It's a little dresser from Jita Home. It's a cube organizer storage unit, and you can use it as you want. You can put it inside of the closets like I do, and it will give you so much more storage around your home. You can use it for shoes, you can use it for home decor. Some of the storage units like this are made out of plastic, and this one is actually made out of metal and wood, so it is really good quality. I love that it has these little handles on it. It has 8 different size cubes, which actually were able to fit a lot more than I thought it would. It saves so much space in the closet. I can have space on either side. Here's the before with the plastic little organizer, and now here is the after with this one. Even though it is a small change, it makes such a big difference. They are actually giving you guys 15% off on this unit, so if you guys are interested, check the description box below. I will have a link that would take you directly to their product with the coupon code, so you can save some money on it. Over here I have my big Christmas tree, which I usually just put like right here on this window, so I might keep it there, because if I put it here, then I don't like how it just blocks the view from the kitchen all the way to the living room. So we are probably gonna put it here again. That is also from Walmart. All of my trees are from Walmart. Like all of the little trees are also from Walmart. I'm gonna try to prioritize the banister. I like to do the arches right here, and then we also have to decorate our entryway, and also I like to decorate our bench just a little bit, not a lot, not crazy, but just something cute in this area. I already decorated outside, and I shared with you guys a reel on Instagram sharing what it looked like. And if you guys don't follow me on there, make sure that you give me a follow, because I put a lot of home decor inspiration and motivation and cleaning motivation just behind the scenes of what you guys are seeing here. Is all on Instagram every day, so we can get a lot more personal on Instagram than on here. Before I start decorating, I always like to put on some Christmas music and turn on some Christmas candles. And this candle I got from Hidden Label, and it smells so good. It smells like Christmas, and it is actually just so pretty, and it's really big. They gave me a discount code for you guys, so I will have it linked in the description box below. I especially like these candles because they are 100% beeswax, which you guys know is a lot better than the paraffin wax candles. These are non-toxic. They're not gonna irritate people who have like allergies and things like that. So
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the forest.
alright, here it is now all put together. It took me a little bit to get the connectors just right on the back, but I got it, and the spinner is working. All of the lights are working. This is also working. So now let's go ahead and get the flocking off the floor. I'm gonna vacuum it really quickly. It's covered in flocking. I am covering flocking and even Caleb. We're gonna have to change and start decorating it. Ready to decorate? Yeah, high five.
And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the
Alright, so I put most of the trees where they belong, and now I decided to work on our mantle. And you guys know that I am using my favorite cleaning product from Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Peppermint. That's the Christmas scent, and I am obsessed with it. It just smells like peppermint candy. And now I'm gonna show you what I use on my mantle to hang my garland, and that is a command hook. I have used it for the past couple of years and never had an issue with it. It's never ruined my paint or the wood or anything like that. I'm gonna show you exactly how I use it. It has a sticky side that sticks to the command hook and also to the mantle. I like to use 3 command hooks, one on either side and one in the middle for extra strength. And actually this year I decided to do my mantle garland in a different way. I like to switch it up and do something different every year. And I thought this year I would do something swagged but off to the side, kind of like have it draping off to the side, like flowing. And I am so glad that I did because it just looks so good. I am super happy with how it came out.
When everything is white.
These are command strips, and these are also the same concept. They are not gonna destroy your surfaces, and I use them to hide my cables. This is another tip that I have for you guys, is to always hide your cables. I think cables take away from the beauty of the decor. It really just makes everything look so messy and you don't even know what you're looking at, if cables or decorations. So I always try to hide mine as much as possible, and I'm gonna show you here how I use my command strips to hide my cables. I kind of place it on the back of the connector, place it to the wall, and then attach it together. And also I place command strips on the back of the cables and on the wall to attach it as close as possible to the fireplace, so that way at the end everything is seamless. I want to add a lot of interest and a lot of dimension and thickness to the side that's swagged, so that's why I'm using these picks from Hobby Lobby. I actually wanted to use green picks because I wanted to add some green for a little bit of dimension in this area, and I think it turned out super cute.
To me it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true this part of the year, something in store.
Now I'm also gonna add some ornaments to the garland for an extra pop of color. Not a lot of ornaments, just a few, but enough to make an impact.
We're falling in love. I know it's the time of the year when something's in store for us, 'cause we're falling in love. That's right.
And here's the final result. This is so beautiful, you guys. It came out so good. From here, from the kitchen, it just looks so pretty with the swag going this way. This is the first time that I do something like so full and colorful, but I am low-key in love with it. I am so in love with it and so glad that I did it. It looks so beautiful. It looks elegant. It has so many different textures and color. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's just beautiful. Let me know what you guys think of all the different textures going on over here and all the little swags. Let me know if you guys like it.
Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss.
On to our last project for the day, and that is going to be our staircase garland. I think dressing up the banister is just so dreamy for Christmas, so I love to do that every year. And this year I'm just gonna go with the same theme as our fireplace mantle. I'm just gonna use some ornaments in very specific areas, use some red ribbon, and call it a day. I think it is beautiful. It is also pre-lit, so it does have lights, and I think it has enough color to where it's not going to drive me crazy because there is a lot of ornaments, but it still makes a beautiful impact.
give thanks for this past year.
I also decorated our entryway, but I did it off camera because you guys have put out so much home decor when it comes to Christmas that it's a mess, and I am all over the place and I get stressed out. So I knew this video would be like an hour long if I didn't do this off camera, so I did it off camera really quickly. And now I'm showing you the result. I think it's just so cute. And I also wanted to show you our little bench area in this corner. I just did something super simple. So I have this wreath that I bought at Walmart a few years ago, and that little tree, I just put the tree there and kept the same pillows and everything. I just added a little red bow for that little touch of red that's like throughout the entire home. And I also always have this little Paris vintage inspired clock on here. So I put the wreath on top, like around the clock, and I think it just turned out super, super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked today's video. I hope you have an amazing Christmas. We will still have a part 2 to this video because you know that we didn't even get to do our Christmas tree. So we're gonna be doing the kitchen, the Christmas tree, and so much more. So stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you're new so you get notified when I post a new video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!